Continuing coverage now. It's been a crazy weather week, including one confirmed tornado and 2 other tornado warnings. KGUN 9 on your side's Craig Smith looks into how and when the Weather Service issues those tornado warnings. Craig?
Giving you a timely warning of dangerous weather is one of the most important things the Weather Service does, and tornadoes can happen so fast there's an extra urgency. That's why the Weather Service says people are mistaken if they believe the service waits to confirm a tornado has formed before it sends out a warning. Modern radar can show forecasters when parts of a storm are rotating in the way that creates tornadoes. When they believe there's a real chance of tornadoes, they will send a warning, so you have time to take shelter.
So you'd want to get into the, on the lowest floor, we get into an interior room if you can, somewhere that doesn't have windows, like maybe a bathroom or a closet. That would be the safest place. You want to stay away from windows and avoid that flying debris that could be occurring with a tornado.
Now, of course, this has been a challenging week for our own weather people like Kyler Diggs. Let's just talk about how odd this sort of weather has been.
Oh, man, I'll tell you, I've been forecasting weather here for 16 years, and I've never seen a system set up like this, where it just parks over the region. You get all that instability, get all the moisture feeding in. It was really something more like you would see in the Midwest.
It really was, and it just didn't seem to want to let up.
No, and finally, just in time for the weekend, right on cue, here we are. But let's take a look at this. We have still seen a few showers out there today, nothing too serious, and this low pressure system, it is finally moving off to the east, but as it does, it is finally just kind of wearing itself out too. It's broadening out, it's weakening, but it's still pulling in a little bit of tropical moisture, and that's why we saw a few of those showers and thunderstorms today. So this is a cut-off low, and for those of you not familiar with that term, it was just cut off from the main jet stream flow, which is still quite a ways to the north. We did have a little weaker jet come down through and help supply some of that moisture, but now that pattern is changing and leaving behind this. Look at that. Isn't that just a beautiful sight looking over the Tucson mountains? And that is setting us up for a fantastic fall weekend. Today, we saw a high of 82 degrees in Tucson, and the average high for this date is 91. 65 is where we started out this morning. That's right on average. We're not going to be anywhere near those record highs for quite a while. You will see in your 7-day forecast.